Hi guys, I'm gonna show you my piano scales. Okay, look at this. So first I'm gonna press this white button. It'll actually make a beat. But then I have to practice. Then I have to press these two keys. So we're not using that anymore. And how to actually practice this? You just have to practice the beat. You have to practice the beat and do that, and it's just simple. It's easy. It's easy. You just like do that. Then what? Because you have two keys. Look, you see these two keys. That's how you do it. That's how I practice. And now look, I'm gonna do it. Okay, look, do it. No, that's the piano one. Be wondering how did I do that? It's just simple. You just have to I pressed the demo button by accident. So it's just simple. Let me do it with other stuff. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna do this. So you can do it with this too. Or so if you do this. And that's pretty fast, but then I'm gonna do with 5 keys. That's how you do it. So if I try with another one, like this one,